What's up everybody? Welcome back to another dance tutorial. Alright, today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This one is my second chair dance. Why everybody's looking back? So they're ready. So basically you need the chair. Anything with the... last time we don't use this kind of chair. Just use the simple one. But this time you need that one. So the title of this song is called One Woman Man by John Legend. Okay, this is one of the songs in the movie. Yes, that one, I forgot. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. So obviously this is a chair dance, a sexy dance. So you need chair, and you can also wear dance shoes or dance with the heels. Even with stiletto, it's fine. You can move. But for this one, we use rubber shoes, dance shoes. So it's okay. So the counting goes like this: 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Only like that. All right. So let's start. You're gonna go 1 and 2, 1 and 2. On the third one, you're gonna touch your hips, your hands going up like this. So on the third, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Lift on 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Lift and 2. One more time. Alright? So complicated. So crazy. Let's count 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So hope you can follow. So 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, down and 2, 1 and 2. Yes, next. Go up on 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Go up on 1 and 2. Let's go on 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Yes. Let's try again. From 6, 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. One I must always 1 and 2. Okay, let's try first from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 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 1, 2, 2, 1 and hop, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 4 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It's hard to count 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. Alright, let's continue. Go step and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, so basically 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, let's continue. 2 away on 1 and 2, 1 and 2, down 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Hope you got that one. Let's try again. From here, 6, 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. Yes. Let's continue. Good. This is gonna go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay? One more time. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Look on 2. 2. 1 and 2. Go 1 almost. Let's finish this one. 1. Wait. 1 and 2. Then hip to your right. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So take time there. 1 and 2. Then let's finish it. Go back. Go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. Up on 1 and 2. Down 1 and 2. Then you hear up 1 and 2. Yeah. Until there. It's very short. Actually, it's not. It's 1 minute. Alright, let's try one more time, okay? From here. Going down. So, we do it continuously since it's easy to catch. So, we go like 1 and 2. Up. 1 and 2. 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 Then 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2. Take time, 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2, 1 and last, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2. Then maybe we touch each other. Alright, you got it? Let's try from the beginning, all of it. I don't have beginning. Here we go, from the beginning. 1 time, big time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. 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 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, oh and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, stop, 2, chop, up and 2, 1 and 2, hop, low, down, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, hop and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so tired, that's it. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, then 1 and 2, 1 and one more, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1. 1. Yeah! Nice, good job. You can check this dance with music in the description I will put, okay? See you next time. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video, okay? So, bye-bye. Merry Christmas.